Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
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 Hi, this is Jim. I'm calling from the front desk. We've been getting some complaints of noise. Do you guys mind keeping it down? There's a lot of people next to you that are complaining about it.
Okay. Maybe talking too loud, huh?
Yeah, we've been hearing a lot of moaning. We've been complaining.
What?
Yeah, we've been complaining that you guys are. No, you guys have been moaning and stuff like that. Do you guys mind keeping it down?
Moaning?
Drop the attitude. Hey, miss, drop the attitude. Drop the attitude. We know that you guys are doing drugs. We're willing to forget about that. But can you bring down the noise level?
I don't know what. I don't understand what you're saying. I'm not having that.
Yeah. Hello?
Hi.
Was that your girl?
No, this is Kenny.
Yeah. Now what's going on? We've been getting complaints that you guys are being loud. No, we've been willing to bypass about the drugs, and we know you guys are doing drugs, which is okay. You guys paid for the room, whatever. But can you guys at least bring the noise level down so that the people next to you can actually get a good night's sleep?
Yes, we will honor that.
Okay.
No, unfortunate.
All right. Now the drug level. Can you guys also kind of keep that to a minimum?
The drug level?
Yeah.
We're not doing drugs.
I have the security guard that was actually patrolling that area with me right now, and he actually wrote down that.
I was peeking through your guys' window that you had left partially open, and I did see a powdery substance on one of your guys' faces near your nostrils, and you guys were doing a lot of sniffing, and it looked like to be what would definitely be crack, cocaine, or of some substance, sir. I've been trained in this.
No, we're not doing any drugs or smoking any marijuana or drinking any alcohol.
Yeah, see, I didn't mention marijuana, but I smelled that too.
That's pretty funny, huh?
Yeah.
Why did you mention it?
I took an 8-hour course in security to know what drugs, to look for the effects of drugs and drug use. So don't fuck with us, okay? You do not want to fuck with us. I have a nightstick, and I took another 8-hour course on how to use that. Don't make me pop my cherry on your head. Okay? You'll be my first.
Well, we'll honor your request. I'm keeping the noise down, I promise you that.
What about the drugs, though?
Keep the drugs to a minimum. There's no problem getting buzzed, but you guys seem to be getting like you're rock stars. And believe me, I saw a good look at all of you. You ain't rock stars. You guys are tore up looking, to be honest.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Hey, and tell your woman she needs to tone down the attitude. Fucking bitch.
Yeah. We run this place here, motherfucker. This is
Okay.
this is where we work.
Yeah, you tell that bitch to shut up.
So let us hear it. You tell her, so we want to hear you tell her to shut up, and then we'll leave you guys alone.
Debbie, don't say anything.
Tell her to shut up.
Okay. I apologize.
Thank you.
Tell that bitch to shut the fuck up.
Okay, thank you.
Now you shut up too.
Okay, thank you.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Close.
Just because you paid for the room doesn't mean that you can act whatever the fuck you want to act like. There's people next to you that want a good night's sleep. Do you understand that, motherfucker?
If you want to snort your marijuana, you need to shut your blinds all the way. Because I could legally peek in there like some sort of pervert. But I wasn't perving. I was just looking for crime.
Well, if you were to, you wouldn't talk to me the way you're talking.
Oh, shut up.
We're on our shift now. We run this place different. Okay? The owner's out of town, out of the state, and out of the country. He told us we could run this place how we want.
Shut the heck
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
tell her to shut up.
Tell her that. That's what we need to hear. She's a problem causer.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have her shut her mouth right now. Motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hi, this is Tina from the front desk. I was aware that has been some people calling in our rooms tonight, and I just wanted to know if you were affected by these prank calls.
Yeah, we're kind of tripping out on that right now. So, yeah, we're well.
Okay, I just want you to know that we are deeply sorry for, it happens, and we're very sorry, but we do want to offer you guys another night's stay. However, there is some issues that these people also had reported that they seen, drug use in the rooms, and the police are on their way. But we do want to offer you guys another night's stay to hopefully ease the pain. And we are sorry. But if you guys, just talk to the police and let them know that everything's okay, and have them check the room, and you guys will be good to go.
All right.
Are you coming down here to talk to us right now?
They are now.
Okay. And your name, sir?
David.
Are you on the motel list?
Should be.
Because I don't see your name.
Yeah, should be on it.
How many more people are in your room?
It's just me, us three.
Okay, and you guys had just rented tonight, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to come down and talk to the sheriffs, or can we send them up to you?
I want guys on to eat some pizza.
You want to get some pizza? Okay. Well, they're going to you can come down here and talk to them, but they will want to search your room. So, just a little heads up there. And I'm sorry, they're here now, so we'll get this resolved here in a second. So if you could kindly come down and speak with the police, and we will send them up to your room, and we can get this over and done with.
All right, bye-bye.
Hi, I'm glad you picked up. I'm staying at the hotel room, and I've got a weird call saying that I was loud and there was like drug use in my room, and there's nothing like this. Why are you guys calling me and saying that?
Right, excuse me?
Someone from the front desk called and said that me and my friend here were.
What room number are you in?
What's that? Well,
What number are you in?
I'm in 125.
Yeah, they said security
Yeah.
was going to hit us with a baton. Yeah.
What? Is that what it was? Because they said it was you guys. They said it was the front desk.
No, didn't you guys just come up to the front desk right now?
Yeah,
Yes.
our friends did. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, apparently you got a prank caller in the building, so.
Well, it's
why
kind-
are you guys letting that stuff go through? Because they sound like you guys. Are you sure it
That's the
wasn't
thing.
you?
It really sounds like you, and we've been sober for a few days.
Unfortunately, we can't do anything about the calls coming in and out of the room, since they're not allowed to make calls outside the rooms, but
Right.
they're allowed to make calls within the rooms.
Well, you guys should do something, because they threatened to rape us. Unless you think rape is funny with a nightstick, I think you guys should do something about that.
Yeah, that's gonna be kind of difficult, but yeah, just for the meantime, I guess, like I told them. That,
Right.
Sir, is there a reason why you have an attitude? You think this is funny? You think this is like a joke? Sir, you have an attitude. Like, I mean, we're paying customers.
Yeah, and my buddy was raped once.
Excuse me?
My buddy was raped once. So when your security guard,
Are you, sir, first of all, are you addressing me that way? Because if you'd like to, go ahead and call my manager and have her speak to you, because I have not made any phone calls, and I'm letting you know the situation, but...
we think it might be you, and now you're getting attitude with us, and we.
First of all, your name is not underneath the room. Is it? Because if it is, then okay, I apologize, but if not, I'm going to have you evicted right now, but okay?
You're gonna have us what?
Give me attitude, you know, I'm going to just talk to my manager, okay?
Yeah, don't show up around room 125, motherfucker.
You guys have way too much to do to sit and call your room.
Then who did it?
Who did it?
Who did it?
Okay, I can't understand you.
We speak perfect English.
Take your phone off the hook.
Okay.
It is off the hook.
Okay.
It is off the hook, bitch.
There you go.
I
Yeah.
can't understand you.
No, can you understand? Can you understand this, motherfucker?
Okay, well, the police are on their way, so pack your
Good.
shit back.
Good. Yeah, this is room 125. We thought about it. We realized it's a prank call. It probably wasn't you guys.
I apologize, but they're already coming on the way, and
Who's?
we try to speak to you guys calmly,
Uh-huh.
and talk to you guys in a respectful manner, and you guys, approach us with attitude and
Right.
aggressiveness, and we won't just deal with that, okay?
But bottom line is,
renting out the room.
hey, can I
Especially
hold
out
on?
the room, we have a problem with that.
Can I?
But
can I-
no, we need this room.
Can I apologize to you real quick, man to man?
Sir, I'm not.
Listen. I got one time. I never apologize to people. Let me do this. Hey, let me apologize to you real quick.
I'm not going to talk to you, okay? I apologize.
Fuck you.
Fucking with tweakers.